first Glam Spring DIY home decor idea, we will be transforming this thrifted vase from Facebook Market, which was initially $3, and I decided to spray paint it with this silver metallic finish Rust-Oleum spray. I will link it down in the description box below. And of course, I will be using some germ stones that I got from Michael's just to elevate the tray, and some glue gun as well. So guys, sit back and watch as I do this process. I cannot wait for you guys to see the others and tell me what you think about this glamorous finish. Hello guys, and welcome to Dede's home interior. My name is Dede, and on this channel I show you how to create home decor inspiration and ideas on a budget. I show you how to achieve a home that looks way more expensive than it actually is. And as you can see from today's video, we are doing a DIY spring glam home decor inspiration and ideas as well. So if you like videos like this, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I heart you and I really do appreciate your support on this channel. Please, if you are enjoying the video so far, like and share this video to inspire someone to upgrade that thrifted piece that they have lying around the house. I cannot wait to get your thoughts on all 4 DIYs that I'm going to show you guys today, because they are very easy DIY spring decor ideas. So sit back and relax because we're about to create some magic.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Me wonder. Yeah, I wonder.
doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you better.